Hello everyone. Welcome to the first video lecture of AutoCAD series. In this video, we are going to learn the interface of AutoCAD. For this, we have to see the detailed syllabus, which I have already uploaded in your account on civilworld.graphy.com. You can check there. Okay. Then it is the first module, that is Introduction to the AutoCAD software, in which we will see the interface, toolbars, menu bars, and ribbon interface, command bar, and so on. The basic command and navigation in the AutoCAD. What are the types of files in AutoCAD that will be saved in our system? Means the drawing will be saved in DWG format, DXF format, and PDF format. You all are aware of the PDF format, but these two we will see in the upcoming lectures and understand the coordinate system, that is the polar and Cartesian plane. Okay. Then we will see the setting of the environment, that is for the unit standard civil architecture. What are the project we are working on? It can be the architectural project, civil project, or a standard project. In civil project, mostly we will work in FPS unit, that is feet, in which we will take the length in feet. Architecture, in which we will take the length in millimeters. We will see in the upcoming lectures. Okay, so let's move to the AutoCAD interface. Okay, when you open your AutoCAD, any version of AutoCAD, you will see this type of interface. This is the interface and their naming, that is the first one is the quick access toolbar, upper one. Okay, if you start a drawing, okay, and you can check, this is the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar means here you can customize your uh, the tools which you will be using the most, and you can add or remove other tools also. That is, if you want to add render, then just click on render, it will be added here. The cup like structure is the render. Okay, and other commands, like here is the command palette, in which you will type the commands just like L enter. Then line command is activated and you will draw a line. Okay, and this is the view cube. View cube means the from where you want to see your drawing, that is, this is the top one. If you click on the corner, then this drawing will be viewed from the corner. Okay, so this is the matter of 3D. We will just see on the top. The next one is the ribbons. In ribbon command, you can see there are many tools available. That is the draw command, modify, annotate, layer, block, and so on. In draw, you can see line, polyline, circle, arc. We will see all these in detail in upcoming lecture. In this video, we will just see the interface of AutoCAD and how we can change the interface as per our customization. Okay. And the next one is drawing area, means the whole black portion is the drawing area. We will also call it the workspace. And command palette we have already discussed. Okay, and the status bar, the bottommost is the status bar, this one, the model layer, and the bottommost is the status bar. Okay, in a status bar you can see many of these. That is the grid. If you click on this, then the grid will be off, then grid will be on. If you just say for example L enter, if you are drawing a line and moving cursor like this, then the line will be drawn anywhere. But if you click on this icon, this is the perpendicular icon now, it is also called ortho. Means if you click on ortho, then the line will be drawn only in perpendicular direction. Okay, and if you just click it off, then line can be drawn anywhere. These all we will discuss in upcoming lectures. Okay, and this is the axis, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, now in interface, means AutoCAD interface, if you click on this application menu, this is the application menu of AutoCAD. Now you have already seen in this picture application menu. I will provide this picture along with the notes in your account. Okay, you can just download and save it, or you can also take a screenshot of this so that you can remember. If you want to customize this field area, if you want to change the color of the workspace or color of the top portion of this, that is ribbon, and so on, then just click on application menu. Okay, and just click on options. There are so many options to be customized. Okay, one important thing you all should know, that in AutoCAD every command can be opened in two ways. One, just go to the file option, and that is application menu, and click on option. Okay, then this dialog box will open. If you want to draw a line, then just click L, enter, and you can start drawing a line. If you want to draw a circle, then just click C, enter, and circle will be drawn. But these all can be drawn from the uh, ribbon tool also. Here is the line command. Now we have just draw a line by shortcut command, that is L, enter, but we can also draw a line by clicking on this. In the same way, if you want to open the option menu, then just click OP, enter. There are so many shortcut commands in AutoCAD. I will provide you these shortcut commands in your account. That is, these are the shortcut commands for the AutoCAD. Okay, arc, circle. As as we further move in our course, we will just provide this shortcut command in your course, so you can just check it. Okay. Then coming on our previous topic, we were changing the color, or we are customizing the AutoCAD interface now. So just go to the display file, and here you can check. Here you can see that there is a color. If you click on color, then there are so many colors, but we want to change the color of background only. Okay, and here is the black color. Just click on black and white. The background will be automatically changed into white. If you click on apply, then the background will be changed into white. Okay, and if we close the grid, then the background will be white. Okay, just delete all these. OP, enter for the options. If you want to change the size of the crosshair, this is the crosshair. The whatever you are seeing in the workspace, that is the plus like structure, this is the crosshair. Okay, if you want to change the size of the crosshair, then what we have to do, we will open the option again. Whatever changes we are making in the AutoCAD interface, all the changes will be made from options only. Okay, then OP, enter, and just click on the display icon, and here you can see the size of the crosshair. Okay, if we increase the size of the crosshair and click on apply, then okay, the crosshair size will be increased automatically. You can also see a small square in between the crosshair. If you want to change the size of that square, then what you have to do, the same thing, OP and enter. For this, you have to go to the selection, and here is the grip size now and the pick box size. Then the small square is called pick box. Just increase the size, and grip size will be also increased. Okay, and just click on apply. Okay, the size will be increased. Okay, whatever changes you are making in the user interface of AutoCAD, all the changes will be made from options only, as we already discussed. So just check all the tools one by one. We are not changing all, but just check. We will also provide you one YQArch plugin for the AutoCAD. It is for beginners, and YQArch plugin, it is the special or the another course in which you can draw the most of the things like wall, door, window in a single click. Okay, so just go to the display file. We will discuss later on. Just go to the display and color theme. We have already discussed. Hmm? Open and save. Save as means in which format you want to save your drawing. So just click on AutoCAD 2018 if you have the older version, or if you want to send the drawing to some other person, or and they have the older version of AutoCAD, then you can also save the drawing in 2013, 2010, 2007 version of TWG file. Okay, and these all are the options command in the open and save. Hmm? And then plot and publish. Plot and publish we will see in see after one drawing is completed. Just like plot and publish, like Control P. We are what we are typing, Control along with P. Then this will be open. Plot command. Sorry, plot, the dialog box for the plot. Okay. So just go to the same option, enter, plot and publish, and here you can change the default setting. Okay, and the system user interface we will see, and drafting the same thing. We can change the size of the pick box and the auto shape maker. And here is the one main thing, selection panel. Na? Okay, for before going in the selection panel, we should know what, in how many way the AutoCAD select any element. Okay, if we have drawn a line here, hmm, and just click left click here, and you can see the color of selection panel. We have just clicked here, left click, and just remove your finger from the mouse, and roll over the mouse on the line. Okay, you can see the selection panel color, that is the green. Default color is green. Okay, and if you move the same mouse in bottom direction, you can see there is the blue color. Or if you move the mouse in the left, it will be green. If you move the mouse in the right, it will be blue. What is the significance of the green and the blue color? Okay, if you click outside of your element and touch your element a little bit with the green color, the whole element will be selected. But if you click outside and touch your element with the blue selection color, element will be not selected. Okay, you have to select. If you have to select the whole element, you have to cover whole element with the blue selection color. Now the element will be selected. You understand what I'm trying to say you? That if you have to select this line, if you click outside and just touch a little bit with the green color, whole element will be selected. If you click outside, then you have to select with the blue color, then you will have to cover the element, means whole element inside the blue color. Okay, it is the selection panel. Now again go to the option command, and you can change the color of the selection. Okay, blue, green, etc. grip color you can change. And now profile, this is the one. Now one more thing, if you do not have the AutoCAD software, you just message me, or you can uh, write in the discussion box, and I will update it in 2 or 3 hours or maximum one day. Okay, so in this video, if you have any doubt, just mention it in the discussion box. Okay, next video onward we will start a basic project, that is we will design a house, a two-story building. Okay, and sequentially we will learn the all the command in the AutoCAD. Here we will end this video. Thank you.